Learn how to control robots in 60 seconds, even if you're not an engineer. Watch me control a full Franca Emilka Panda robot arm using nothing but normal conversation and Google's Gemini AI. Simulation is running. This slow prompt box pops up. Let's start easy. I type, move 90 degrees left. Hit OK, and boom, the robot smoothly rotates exactly 90 degrees to the left. Pretty cool, right? Now let's try vertical control. I say, move 10 degrees up. Watch how cleanly the arm lifts upward. Perfect precision. To see if it remembers context, I follow up with, now move 10 degrees down. Gemini keeps the conversation going and brings the arm right back down. Now for the fun part, I give it a real-world command. Pick up the box below you. And just like that, the robot understands it, identifies the box, and picks it up. Mind officially blown. This is the future of robotics. Natural language control that anyone can build in a hackathon weekend. No more weeks of coding, just pure creativity. Go try it yourself, tag us with what you build, and let's see what you create. And if you'd like to get access to more tutorials like this, comment tutorial and we'll send you the secret link.